how to install private server for Genshin Impact and Honkai Star Rail. So down in the video description section, there are two links. Go ahead and open them up. So the first link should open this page. Go to releases, then click on this ukps.zip. Okay, wait for it to download, then you can close this page. This is UKPS's website. So to register, just enter a username, email, and password. Then retype your password. So for example, okay, so I have entered Madeline test and then an email and a password. Now let's say register, account register successfully. Okay, let's log in. Okay, so this is your UKPS account page. So it can be a little bit confusing. Password in web is, if you want to change your current password in web password, you can type the new password in here, and whenever you want to save the changes you have made here, you need to type in your current password in here into this current password box, and then click on save. So I want to set a in-game password. Then I'm just going to copy paste my IP address. This might change. I have a static one, but it's very likely that you have a dynamic IP address, so you might have to update this every day or whenever you reset your modem. And then code API access, I'm just going to use a random number, and that's it. So now I'm going to enter my current in-web password and click on save. Okay, this is it. I'm going to talk about this later. Now we can close this and open our downloads folder. Okay, so this is what you should have in your downloads folder, the UKPS zip file. Now open this. If you can't open this or unarchive this, go ahead and install WinRAR or 7-zip. I'm going to create a folder in my desktop, but you shouldn't, okay? Because desktop is in your OneDrive as far as I know. So you should go to one of your drives and then create a new folder in there. So UKPS launcher. Then unarchive, extract all of this inside your new folder. When it's done, you can click close these. Let's open our new folder, and as you can see, we have a UKPS application. You can create a shortcut if you want to. So create shortcut. I'm going to put this in my desktop. Okay, so now when we launch this, okay, yep, that's okay. Now, if you want to launch Genshin Impact PS, you select Genshin Impact from here, and then click on choose and choose your Genshin Impact game folder, not Genshin Impact data, okay? But I will be using Honkai Star Rail as an example, so Star Rail and choose, go to your Hoyo Play, games, Star Rail games, and that's it. You need to select your Star Rail games. You can save this. I think this doesn't work sometimes, so yeah. Then you click on UKPS button and it should, yeah, click on yes. That's the proxy certificate, and it should launch the game. Now I obviously can't show this. Okay, so for some reason my proxy did not work, I think, because okay, so the game opened and I obviously cannot show this, but when the game opens, you should be seeing the login page, and under the start game, there are other login options, right? So for example, Google, Facebook and stuff. There, you should only be seeing X, only Twitter, nothing else. If you're seeing that, then it means that the proxy worked and that you are in PS right now. So enter email username. You are going to enter the username that you used in UKPS. You can find it in your UKPS account page. So mine was Madeline test and the password was test1. Oh no, in-game was test2 or 3, I don't know. But what you should know is that in your UKPS account page, as you can see, there is a timer. So before you log in, you need to click one of these. I recommend clicking this one. So allow only login game with current IP address. Let's click this and it just reset the timer. So now I can go in game and type any password, right? W for example, then click on start game. Agree to all the following, accept, and yeah, Frankfurt LC 3.2 server. You can select any server. You should choose the one that is the closest to your location. Otherwise, you will have very high ping. So now you might be asking, okay, I just entered. Now I'm seeing the Trailblazer, right? What now? So in private servers, you can use commands in your in-game chat. So open your in-game chat. In Honkai tutorial, there is Kafka right now. Now, in here, you can type /help to see the commands. I'm going to just show you a single example so that you know how these commands generally work, okay? I'm going to use the give all command as an example. Now, this might seem a bit confusing to you. I'm going to tell you what all this stuff means. So the main command is give all. Then within those brackets are the subcommands that we can use. So we have to choose one of them. We can choose all, materials, avatars, light counts, relics, usables, pets. I'm going to use avatars, which is characters, and then we can define the level of our characters. So LV, what's the max level in Honkai tutorial? Was it 80? Now it doesn't show the rest in here, but I think it works if we input them. So let's try. E for Eidolon, I want them E6 and S10, since that's the max skill level. Now let's hit enter. UID account. Currently your points are 0 to run this. 1 point required. Points are needed when server is busy. Okay, this is something that I just learned. UKPS point. Watch ads. Oh my god. Okay, this is nice. Not bad. I mean, it's fair because UKPS, like Yuki is spending some money to keep this servers running, right? So they of course do need money. Okay, so now we have 10 points. Now I'm going to use the same command again. You have to do this whenever the servers are very busy, I guess. But since these commands are commands that you will be using only once per account, I think it's fair. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you have any questions, please ask in UKPS, or you could also join my server and ask in PS support. So yeah, that's it for this video, ladies and gentlemen. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.